So long guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video we'll solve another program from Coding Bad. So today's program is front back. Let's see what it says. Given a string, return a new string where the first and last characters have been exchanged. That is, suppose coding. Suppose I'm saying I'm taking a string coding, then codings C and D, G will be exchanged. Here, as you can see in the examples, that in code the C, that is the first character, and E, that is the last character, is exchanged, and here it became EODC. You can see C and E is exchanged, and when it is A, we are not doing anything, we are keeping it as it is. But when it is more than one character, we are exchanging the first and the last character. So without delaying much, let's start with the program. Here I will give a if condition where we will check if the string is within the limit. That is, it should be less than equals to 1 if you want to change it. That is, return string. So here what we are doing is we are checking the length of the string. If the length of the string is less than or equals to 1, then we are returning the same string as it is without doing any changes to it. But if it is not, then we will do something to it. Let's see what we can do. We will take the first character in the string first, that is char position 0. We all know that the first character will be at position 0. Then the last character, that is whatever character it would be in that particular string. So that would be string length minus 1, because as I have said, string length would be the number of characters in a string, and the position always starts from 0, so we cannot take it as string length. We have to take it as string length minus 1. So after that, we will return our new string, that is the last character at first, then all the other characters into a substring, which it will start from 1, means the second character in the string, and the number of characters it will count after that is the length of the string minus 1, that is not all the length till the number of character it has minus 1. Then we will add our first character. Let's see what it does. There is a problem. Let's see what problem has arisen here. Char position 0, single char application variable, line 5. That should be here. Sorry, I wrote chat at, it should be char. So now let's run it. Here you can see we have successfully run the program, and where it has a single character or a single string, there it is returning the string as it is. Where it is an empty string, it is returning an empty string, and other than that, it is changing the first and last character of the string. So with that said, the problem is solved, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.